Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own counter app. So this is basically an election counter app. But my friend, it's not so much advanced, like it would not show like all the seats and all, but it still shows all of the votes. Now first let us see the output. So as you can see, over here BJP has 0 votes, INC has 0 votes. So BJP is basically all these are Indian parties in which BJP is Bharatiya Janata Party, INC is in Indian International Congress, SM is Samajwadi Party, TMC is Trinamool Congress, and AAP is Aam Aadmi Party, and DMK is from South. DMK is South Party. Now let's run the code. As you can see, so let's take, there are about to 543 total seats, but over here there are votes, so we'll just consider 543 votes. And to test it, we are going to, when it comes on 543, we will see if it shows the result or not. So we are going to just randomly press anything, any type of political party, and let's see if it works. So let's run it. Just look at the total votes, do not look at how much the party has. So about 60 we have done, around to 60, 70, around to 81, then around to 80, about to 100 are going to happen. 100 votes have already happened now. Around to 143 more to go. So let's see. So 150 done. Let us check who's in the lead. SM, so Samajwadi Party is leading with 35 votes. Let's continue. So as you can see, my code actually runs, and in this further of this video, we are going to look at how to like edit and how to create our own code in which you can use your own parties, and this can also be sometimes used for school elections or sometimes for head elections. So this is actually a very nice code, and I hope you like the code. So around 250 done, more 250 more to go. So when around 543 votes happen, we are going to check which party has actually won. So my friends, this code is really easy, and we have used the intercept function over here, in which I just adding the parties and it's working. And in the further code, you can ask me any different type of, you can write in the comment section if you have any different type of doubt, if you have, and you're not able to clarify anything. So we are going to see after that later. So as you can see, 400 votes have happened, and now we are getting close to around to, now until now TMC is the highest leading, and as you can see it is 103 votes. SM is around to 99 votes, just 4 votes behind. BJP is going almost around to the lowest, and let's continue. 420. So my friends, after this I'm going to teach you how you can actually make this code, and I'm really telling, it's not that difficult. It is just looking a little bit complicated, but you have to type which political party you want, and you have to use the intercept function and the self function also for defining, and then in the end you have to type all of the app and all. Now my friends, 43 more votes to go. So we'll slow her a little bit more. Okay, 13 votes to go. We are going to slow it a little bit and do it slowly. Yes, 3. Let's show the result. Okay, so we have a winner, and the winner is SM with total 140 votes, and that is really sad for TMC as they were on just 136 votes. And as you can see, my code has actually worked. Now we are going to see how do we make this code. So let's come on to the code, guys. I'm gonna full screen it so that you guys cannot see all of the whole code. See, we have to first import tk-enter if you want to create this type of GUI. Then from tk-enter we have to import message box. And so say if you are in a, so let's say you are in a MacBook, so I'm using right now a Mac. That's the reason the message box will come, it will come with something like that. But if you're using Windows, I do not know what is going to come. So let us see. So the code will not depend, even if you are using Mac or any type of other different type of laptop, the code will remain the same. Just type, the output will change. So the output over there, the GUI might look different inside the Windows laptop. So these are initial parties. So now let's see class counter app. So we have to use a class function, and I have to use in another code. Over here we have to define first initial code, and after that we have to use a self function. As I told, self dot master is equal to master. Then we have to use a title called election counter app. Then self parties. So there are going to be different type of parties like BJP, and they have to start it with all should be fair. So it should be all with 0 votes, and initial parties and their counts. So basically self votes is equal to 0. Now what we have to do, we have to use the show result. We have to create a button for show result, and then we are going to click on command dot show result. That's what we have to do. This is the button to vote for each party. F vote for every party over there that is mentioned, and we have to use a lambda method which is used for mostly voting. And then we have to use the increment count, in which we are going to use a self party and then self parties and plus 1 self party, then self total votes plus 1. So if the self party is equal to plus 1, then the self votes will also plus 1. We have to click on the self update labels and define update label, and then we have to define the runner-ups. So, or the most vote, the people who get the most votes wins. As you can see, if there is a tie, it will show there is a tie between the joint runner-ups, else the winner is winner with maximum votes. This is the function called max votes, and with the maximum votes, message show box info election result, and after that result message. Then define main root is equal to tk.tk, app is equal to counter app root dot main loop. Now my friends, you must be thinking, how do we change the political parties names? Now if you want to change the political parties names, like it's not sure you want it to be political parties. Now let's take type of different types of sports. I type cricket over here. Which is your favorite type of sport? Football over here. Then tennis, and over here, and over here, as you can see. Now over here I'm going to type any other different sport like baseball, and over here let's type other sport like rugby, and over here we are going to type, it's an Indian sport called, and it's an Indian sport called kabaddi, or we can type hockey also. Now let's see my friends, though it changed. Now over here it's typing vote for cricket, vote for football. As you can see, now if you want this to actually work, we are going to take the total votes around to 50, and let's just randomly do it. Okay, just look at the total votes. If you are looking at the results, it's going to be cheating. 10 more to go. Okay, so this is randomly at MA. So winner is football with 19 votes, and that is also reality. Football is the most popular sport in the world. But wait, one thing is wrong. It should be one thing is awkward. Football, tennis, and then cricket. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the code works. And as you can see over here, the message also came. This is the show result message. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. Remember, if you're liking and subscribing my videos, you're showing the love for me and my videos. Thank you.